Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can create a child theme on your WordPress website. So basically something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now let's create a child theme for our demo website. We are already logged into our demo site, which is wp-admin. So we will be creating a child theme for this website. So let's first find out the theme this site is using. Go to Appearance and Themes. And this website is currently using the 2021 theme, and it is active. And here are other themes too. So let's create a child theme for this. But before that, let's understand why we want a child theme. It is simply because whenever you customize themes and add codes to theme functions, all these will be deleted on a theme update. But if you use a child theme, your codes will be safe despite the theme updates. Anyway, before creating a child theme, please make sure if your theme provides a child theme or not. Popular themes do provide a child theme. For instance, if you are using Enfold, quickly Google child theme for Enfold and see if they provide it. If yes, you can simply download it and install it. Child theme usually only have a few files. So please do Google child theme for the theme you are using. Popular themes do provide child theme. But if you cannot, then we will create one. So let's do this for this theme. First, click on Theme Details. We need this screenshot. Copy image address. We need this image. Let's copy the exact name for it. And save it. I will save it to the desktop. Make sure it is the exact same name. And this is the exact theme name we are using. I will copy this theme name too. I will create a folder and give the same name and add -child to it. Let me drag the image inside the folder. Now we need to add two files here. Close this. Go to the theme file editor. So we need this style.css, which uses site's CSS. Copy this from here to here. Make sure you are copying from this asterisk slash to this slash. I will copy this to the notepad. You do not need all this information, but it is all fine to have it all here. The only one minor edit is we need to add a template. Simply write template and write the exact theme name. This template name must be the same as the themes folder. The easiest way to find it is to go to Themes. Copy this image address. This is the exact name we need. Copy this. And paste it here. Since this is case sensitive, we need to make sure it is using the same name with small or caps letters. And now save this. I will add it to the same folder. And give the name style. And save it. Now the final file we need to create is functions. Open Notepad. Click on Functions. You only require to copy this PHP and paste it to Notepad. And save it as functions. make sure the spelling is correct. For functions and also the style, this is .css and this is PHP. So here are all the required files. Now click on View and click on File Extension. We are doing this to change the file type. If you are using Notepad++, you can directly save the file in the same format. Anyway, rename this style to .css. Yes. And do the same for functions to .php. It's done. I will untick this. All done now. So we created the child theme. Now zip this. Right-click and set to the compressed file. So our child theme is ready. Now go to Themes. Click on Add New. Upload themes. Choose File. And upload the child theme. Open and install it. So it is done. Go back to Themes. So here is our child theme. It looks exactly like the parent theme. Now activate the child theme. It is activated. Now visit the site. Looks good here. But if there are any issues, you might have to import theme settings or use some codes. But it should work in most cases. If you are just building a website, make sure to create a child theme. And now if I go to the theme file editor, you will see all templates are from the parent theme. On this style sheet, you can use your own custom CSS for your website. And on this theme functions, you can use your own custom codes, as we are using on our other videos. If this child theme does not work as intended, you might need to write some import rules for both the style sheet and functions.php file. But this method should work in most cases. Alternatively, there are also free plugins to create a child theme. Anyway, we hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.